Alright, so we got the right channel hooked up here. Focus. So that our CD load there. Change that to VCR pretty quick. Check that. And our VCR is VCR. Away. ETV. This one, so let's say that'll work. Yep, that's working. So this is for sale. The Yamaha Natural Sound AV Receiver HTR-5730, as well the Yamaha Natural Sound Compact Disc Player CDC-655 is also for sale. Sorry about that. So these both items are for sale. Links are in the description. And thanks for watching.